Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about referral system. The first, what is meaning of referral system? The definition of referral system is the system in which the patient is sent from health center with fewer amenities to the health institute or treatment center which has more resources, facilities and amenities. It is called referral system. That means a person admitted in the health center which have basic health services or primary health services, or one needed more resources or services, so the person will transfer or refer to the health center which have more resources and services. It is called referral system. Referral does not mean transferring responsibility, but it's sharing responsibility in patient care. Through refer or transfer patient, there is no mean that we complete our responsibility, but we share responsibility forward patient care and health care services. Next, indication for referral. In which condition we can refer the patient, that are hyperpyrexia, the fever more than 104 degree Fahrenheit, severe pain in any part of the body that is continuous for more than 3 days, stiff neck, stiff jaw, arch back, or the signs of tetanus, convulsion, more than one attack with fever or serious illness, hematemesis or hemoptysis, that is blood present in vomiting or blood present in sputum, abdominal pain, frequent vomiting or absence of bowel sound, black color stool present, complicated deliveries, coma due to any cause, severe diarrhea which is not responding to any treatment, and severe dehydration, severe cyanosis. Cyanosis means bluish discoloration of the skin, urine retention for more than 18 hours or 24 hours, chest pain in heart patient, multiple trauma, that is fracture and hemorrhage, and poisonous condition. From above any of situation, the patient or client needed refer or referral them to higher health care centers. Next, selection of patient for referral. The patient selection is normally done when there is any disaster or emergency happens. Selection for patient, there is 3 group available: fatal patient, serious patient and general patient. The first group are fatal patient. Such patients can't survive despite the best treatment made available to them. So to send them for treatment is waste of time and money. So it is better to give them appropriate treatment at the health center itself with available resources. It's essential for relatives patient to understand that because of his fatal condition, it will not be beneficial to send patient for referral. Normally, if any disaster occur, some have very serious condition. Even though we provide better treatment, there will be no chance to survive of them. So, according to situation, without wasting of time and money, we have to provide services which are available at same health center, and also essential to inform to the relatives of patient to understand the situation. Next one is second group or serious patient. Condition of such patient is considered serious, but immediate treatment can save their lives. So, before sending them for referral, attempt should be made to reduce seriousness of condition, and only after that they should be sent for referral. Some of the people have serious condition but can survive with the better health facilities. So, provide them available or primary care which can reduce somehow of the seriousness of the patient, and after that refer them to other healthcare center for the better of health services. Next one is third group or general patient. The disease may be serious in such patient, still condition of patient is found to be normal. Such patient can be immediately sent for referral or after surgery, or in case of diagnosis is not possible, or for some special technique, patient can be sent to a big or specialist hospital for consultation. Some of the patient may have serious condition but found normally. Primary care is also provided to them. So in that case, patient transfer after primary care or surgery if required, or if we can't diagnose the any disease condition at health center, in that case also send patient for the other health services or health hospital for consultation. Next, level of referral system. In this, they are primary level, secondary level and tertiary level. In primary level, care provided at village level, subcenter level and PHC. Secondary level at CHC and district hospital, and tertiary level specialty hospital. First, primary level. PHCS subcenter are first step in provision health care and offers services such as immunization, family planning, treatment and management of TB, ANC, that is antenatal care, and HIV or AIDS counseling. In primary level, almost all the care provided at primary health center and subcenter. The care included immunization up to age of 5-year children and to the pregnant ladies, family planning in which free of cost family planning services or contraceptive measures provided at the primary health center or subcenter level, treatment and management of TB. In treatment, provide DOTS, that is direct observation treatment short course at the primary health center. ANC, antenatal care, in which provide immunization to mother, home care, diet, etc. Related to care of the mother, HIV and AIDS counseling. Next one is secondary level. At level, hospital will receive referral from community health center and provide diagnostic treatment, care, counseling and rehabilitation services. Others are as following. Normally, the patient at secondary level transferred from primary health care at community health center. The services included surgery, obstetric and gynecological services, OPD based department or OPD based services, medicines, pediatrics, geriatrics, casualty and mental health services. Third one is tertiary level. This hospital are staffed by specialists and generalists and other services like neurology, cardiology, pediatric surgery, spinal injury, plastic reconstructive surgery, urology, orthopedics, chronic psychiatric illness. The special services or specialists are available at tertiary level, which can provide better of health services. Next one, benefits of referral. Benefits of referral for patient. Prompt diagnosis and management can easily diagnose the disease and available treatment, save time, money and effort. For the family physician, the benefits of referral are learning and training, gaining of self-confidence, increased communication between healthcare staff. Next one is for consultant, improve quality of patient management and increase communication between staff. Responsibilities of nurse in referral system. That is most important, that when we refer the patient, what are steps we have taken as a nurse. First one is nurse working in subcenter, PHC or CHC should have knowledge about referral process. All the nurses have must know about referral process, that is which steps we have take while we refer the patient. Next one is patient should be choose carefully for referral. If any disaster occur and as a staff nurse we have to choose patient for referral, then we have to follow the criteria or steps of selection for patient which we have seen before. Nurse should be aware of their limitations and responsibility in referral system. In case of emergency, attempt should be made to save life of patient and then only should be sent for referral. If any patient is serious or and have any emergency, first we have to take primary care or any step to take take steps to save life of the patient and then send the patient for referral. Transforming patient with life-saving machine and medicine. As a staff nurse, when we send the patient for referral, Then life-saving machines and medicine are also transferred or sent with them, because if any emergency occurs on the way, we can treat the patient. Records should be filled in referral form. Thank you.